Morning students. Today we will start chapter number 3, Roman numerals. You must have seen various watches in which there are symbols written instead of numbers. Those symbols are actually Roman numerals. There are 7 basic symbols to write any Roman numeral. The first symbol is I, representing 1. The second symbol is alphabet V, which represents number 5, alphabet X representing 10, alphabet L representing 50, alphabet C representing 100, alphabet D representing 500, alphabet M representing 1000. In order to write numeral numbers, we need to follow certain rules, and there are 4 rules to write Roman numerals, which we will learn one by one. Before starting with the first rule, we should note that there is no symbol for 0. Yes, in Roman numerals there is no symbol that denotes 0. First rule. Rule number 1. Repetition of Roman numeral means addition. Whenever we repeat a Roman numeral, it means we are adding both the numerals. Like in example, I have written I and I. That means 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Similarly, X and X. X represents 10. That means 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. In the third example, I have written X, X and X, triple X. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equals to 30. Here we need to note two things. First, only I and X can be repeated. We can only repeat I and X Roman numerals. No other numeral can be repeated, and numeral 5 is never repeated. Second point, no numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. We can repeat I and X. It means I and X are the numerals which can be repeated, but they cannot be repeated more than thrice. Rule number 2. Rule number 2 states that a smaller numeral written to the right of a larger numeral is always added to the larger numeral. Whenever we will write a smaller numeral next to a larger numeral, will be added to the larger numeral. In the example, I have written V and I, that is 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Similarly, I have written X with 2 I's. 2I means 2 and X means 10. That is 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. Similarly, in the next example, I have written V with 3 I's. V represents 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 8. Number 3. Rule number 3 states that a smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral is always subtracted from the larger numeral. Whenever a smaller numeral is written before a larger numeral, it means that the smaller numeral will be subtracted from that larger numeral. As in the example, I have written IV, that is 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. I, X, X representing 10, I representing 1. 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. Here we should note 2 points. I can be subtracted from V and X. In both the example, I have subtracted I from V and X. It means only I can be subtracted from the numerals V and X. Second, the numeral V is never subtracted. We cannot subtract numeral V